Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of CAD Lounge, and today I'm going to show you how you can import in new materials or textures that you have pre-saved on your computer, all those that ArchiCAD has but are not available on the list shown in the libraries. Okay, so here we just have a basic wall, if we look at it, with general material, and when you're choosing the material of your walls, usually use the materials that already come loaded with the ArchiCAD, which are listed here. Right now, like let's say the stone, if you want a stone wall, it's just a limited number of options here, but you can import them. You don't have to be limited to those that are there. So if you go to options and you go down to surfaces, they'll load up for you the materials that are there, which are the same that you saw there. So that's the one we have been looking at. That's one of the stone options. And here you can also adjust the color of an existing material, the transparency. You can make it somehow transparent. You can make it more reflective in case you're working with glass, and you can make it more shiny. You can play around with it a bit. I'm using the view images internal engine because I feel here it won't be as heavy, but there are other viewing options. So if you come down here to where there is texture, here you can load up your own texture. So let's create a new material, name it whatever you want to name it, that doesn't matter, but name it something you remember. After that, we go down to search, and if you have some textures you've loaded, you already had it in your computer from another program, you can go down and look in the library and browse for it in your browser if you already have it saved. If you don't, ArchiCAD has more materials that it doesn't load on the machine, but they're already saved in your libraries. So if you go down here, you can see there's so many other materials, like so many. So if you don't find what you want, you can download more materials, but it's quite exhaustive what they have. So this is their stone selection. So let me choose something like that. I don't know what that is, but I'm just going to show it as an example. So once I've saved it, it's now saved as part of my materials. So if I go down, I can find it using the name I'd saved it at, and there you have it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.